Hello everyone. March has already started. Climate is changing. Sudden shift in the weather can trigger certain illnesses. So it's important to keep ourselves and our children's immunity strong. Here we have this Indian spice which is used in Ayurvedic medicines to cure several diseases. Yes, it's the turmeric. Normally we use turmeric in our daily cooking to enhance the flavor of food. But apart from this, turmeric has lot of health benefits. Curcumin, the active component present in turmeric, is used for healing several diseases. Do you have turmeric milk every night? Well, there is not one, but for many reasons why you must have this turmeric milk. It's commonly known as haldi ka doodh, which was one of the best remedy passed on to us by our ancestors. It is also called golden milk due to the color it imparts to milk when mixed in it. Turmeric milk can boost our immunity. So you should definitely have this milk during every season change to protect ourselves from cold, cough and flu. A cup of haldi ka doodh at night can be specially beneficial for people who get restless during the sleep. It can help you to have a restful sleep. It also helps patients with depression. Even turmeric milk helps in bloating and it brings the digestive system on track. Turmeric when added with honey can be applied as a paste for skin infections like rashes, acne and itching. Nowadays, children face number of health problems due to their young age and low immunity compared to adults. So giving a cup of turmeric milk regularly will ensure that your child does not become ill frequently. If they have symptoms of cold, it will remove mucus and relieves chest congestion, allowing the child to breathe easily. It can help to boost their immunity and also improves memory and brain functioning. So here I'll show you the video like how I prepare the turmeric milk for my kids. So let's watch it. For preparing the turmeric milk, I have taken the fresh root of turmeric. If it's not available, you can use the powdered form of dry turmeric also. Then we need 1 cup of milk. Then a small piece of cinnamon. Cinnamon adds flavor and it gives a good aroma to the milk. And then we need the grated turmeric.